Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Snapchat. I'll dive right into the topic. So basically, there are certain requirements for you to get verified on Snapchat. And that is you need to have at least 50,000 views on your Snapchat story. Unfortunately, no one knows whether you need to have 50,000 views on your story for once or on many stories frequently. So if you have 50,000 or more views on at least one story, then you may follow this method. Let's get to the point. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone. After you open the app, you'll see the camera of Snapchat. On this page, tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. And once you reach your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down, and under support you can see this option, I need help. Go ahead and tap on it. Then on this page, tap on contact us. After you reach this page, under how can we help, you can see many options. Go ahead and tap on I've lost my snap streak. Then scroll down, and here you'll have to enter all your information. Your phone number, device, and everything else asked here. After you enter all your information, you'll get to the last part, which is what information should we know. On this box, you'll have to write something like other people are trying to impersonate me, my account should be verified to protect my identity, and something along these lines. And after you're done, scroll down and tap on send. Before you send your request, you'll have to verify the CAPTCHA. So do what the instruction tells you to do. Then tap on verify. So your message has been delivered to this Snapchat team. Now they will check your account and determine whether you are fit to get certified or not. And hopefully you'll get a response soon enough. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video.